Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our education and teaching series, we're exploring something every great teacher needs to master: instructional strategies and pedagogy. These two terms might sound complex, but they answer a simple question: how do you actually teach so students understand, remember, and enjoy learning? You can explore more topics like this by watching the full playlist. Just click the link in the video description below. What are instructional strategies and pedagogy? Let's break it down. Instructional strategies are the different methods teachers use to deliver lessons. Think of them as tools in a teacher's toolbox, like group work, storytelling, or using visuals. Pedagogy is the bigger picture. It's the philosophy and science of teaching. It's about understanding how students learn and choosing the right strategies to support that learning. Together, they make teaching effective, meaningful, and student-centered. Why are these so important? You could have the most important subject in the world, but if it's taught the wrong way, students won't learn it. That's where instructional strategies and pedagogy come in. For example, a teacher explaining a complex topic like climate change might use a video to grab attention, break the class into groups to brainstorm solutions, let students present their ideas to build confidence. This combination of methods supports engagement, understanding, and participation, 3 keys to successful learning. Popular instructional strategies. Here are some commonly used strategies in classrooms around the world. Direct instruction. The teacher explains things step by step, best for introducing new topics. Cooperative learning. Students work in teams, learning from and with each other. Inquiry-based learning. Students explore questions and solve problems. Flipped classroom. Students learn new material at home through videos or reading, and class time is used for practice and discussion. Scaffolding. Breaking lessons into small steps, offering support until students can do it independently. Each strategy works best in different situations, and great teachers know how to choose and combine them. Understanding pedagogy. Pedagogy includes your beliefs about teaching. For example, do you believe students learn best through experience? That's constructivist pedagogy. Do you focus on practice and repetition? That's behaviorist pedagogy. Do you support student choice and emotional development? That leans toward humanistic pedagogy. Your teaching style and your classroom will reflect these beliefs. Why future educators must learn this? As a future teacher, mastering instructional strategies and understanding pedagogy will help you reach different types of learners. Keep your class motivated. Design more creative and flexible lessons. Make learning joyful and lasting. You won't just be teaching content, you'll be teaching in a way that sticks. What's next? In our next episode, we'll explore assessment and evaluation, how teachers check what students have learned, and how they use that information to grow. Make sure to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and follow the full playlist linked below. Thanks for learning with us here at the Learning Studio.